Hello traders, welcome to the mini Thunderdome. We are back, I think. Are we back? Are we back or no? Let me know if we're back. Is sound on? Sound check, sound check. I think we're back on. All right, let me know if we're back. Sound check. Sorry about that. Yeah, I think I had too much CPU being taken out of my bookmap. Oh my God, I should have saved it. All right, I need to do some clean up here on my charts. I was worried about that. Yes, thank you. All right, guys, give me a few minutes here, because I should have saved before everything closed, and I didn't. So, all right. Okay. All right. Here we go. Okay, so look at that. It went for IB low. IB low was hit. So that was a nice drive up. So that long that I said we're probably going to be long at 83, 84. That was the trade. Went all the way up to 25. If you guys recall, I said we may get a challenge here of IB low. That's exactly what happened. Oh my God. That would have been a nice trade. 50-point trade. Well, at least I'm happy that I called it. I'm already profitable this morning, so there's no spilled milk here. I'm not going to cry about spilled milk. But it was a solid trade. Solid trade. Yeah, I tried not to be upset about a trade that I wasn't able to take. As long as I'm reading the market right, that's all that matters, right? All right, so Delta almost went positive. That was a drive. Whew. All right, let me save. My charts may freeze for a second. I'm going to go and save. Yeah, I've been trading crude since 2001, and I stopped because I got killed on that big thumb event. When was that? I think it was 2009. I don't know if you guys were trading, but some guy, I don't know if it was, I can't recall the story now. I don't know if some guy in Asia or in Europe, he added one more zero to a trade, and it just blew up the market. We had like a 15-minute crash, and back in the day, I wasn't using stops. I should have learned at that time to put stops, and then I got killed again. And Japanese tsunami. That was another day that I got killed, and I didn't have stops ever since the tsunami. I don't trade without a stop. Yep. But yeah, that was the last time that I really, I mean, I've been trading crude on and off ever since, but 100% focusing in crude, that was the last time. And now I've been focusing in crude for the past 3 months, 100% in crude. But I'm still watching. I mean, you have to go and watch the ES and the NQ. But if you want to correlate a market, you need to correlate with a cash market. And what if you don't know what moves the world economically, is called the petrodollar. That's why the dollar is so strong, that in order to buy oil in the world, let's say you're a country in Africa that doesn't produce oil, okay, you need to import it, right? So the only way that you can go and buy oil is you have to go and exchange your money for dollar. It's called the petrodollar. That's why the US dollar is so strong. That's why we are so strong worldwide economically. I mean, it's one of the reasons, but it's the petrodollar. So if you want to correlate a market with it, you got to look at the dollar. It doesn't always move, but it's one that will at least will give you a idea. And the VIX also. All right, so what could happen now? So the big move, two big moves already happened. We made a new low, we hit some targets. The gap, in my opinion, is closed. We also hit IB low. So we may just go sideways from here, or we may get a challenge of 91.40 or 91.66. But that would mean that the market would go positive. And that, I think that may not happen. We may get a challenge. It may challenge going positive, but I do not think that we will go positive. So we may just end up just farting around. Where is that? From here to here. This whole area here, just sideways movement. So crude closes at 11:30 my time. So that's 1:30 Eastern time. That is when the pit closes. After that, it moves up and down 10 points. If you're stuck on a trade. So this is a 3 minute, and my indicators that I have that I don't really use, but I have a 9 and a 30. But I mean, it gives me an idea of where the market has turned around, but I don't use it as an indicator. Okay, I do not use these as an indicator. I just use it as you're welcome, buddy. You're welcome. Yeah. So I'm gonna do one free streaming once a week for everybody, and then I'm gonna be launching my new affordable streaming service. It's gonna be $29.95. I think that's, I'm trying to give back, but my time is valuable also, so I don't feel bad in charging. So That should start on Monday. So if you're interested in trading crude with me, come and join. Go to my website and sign up. It's 1 month for $29.95. We're gonna kill it. We're gonna hot knife through all these levels and make some money. All right, right now I'm up 1,990 before commissions. All right, a lot of icebergs just hit in this area right here, in between 96 and $91.05. So are they trying to hold the market from staying above 91, or are buyers stepping in and trying to go for my 91.40 or 91.66? So we need to keep an eye and see how well of a job, what the volume is, liquidity in this area. I'm trading CL, crude oil. That's what I'm gonna be. That's the only thing I will be trading in my live stream is CL. This is where it's at now. Not a whole lot of robots. It has a lot of opportunities. I mean, just in the past half hour, I called out, what, 5 or 6 trades? I only took 2, but I called out at least 5 or 6 trades. All right, here we go. Another iceberg. So again, we may just be farting around this area for a while. There could be a long opportunity here to go and test 40, or we're going to go and test that 90.85, 98.83, between 0.83 and 0.85. So what is the objective of any market? Is to find better prices, right? If you're a seller, you want to buy low. If you're a buyer, you want to buy low. If you're a seller, you want to sell high, right? So it's always trying to find a better price, right? So it's trying to discover value, right? Discover value. So a natural move right now would be to go down to 90.83, 90.83, 90.85 to go and check, okay, is this too expensive? Is it too cheap? So there's a lot of analysis. They're saying that crude may go to 120, and a couple of guys even said 150. I doubt that. If crude goes 150 here in California, 1 gallon will be $15. I doubt that. I really do. Gas right now, the average is about $6.50 per gallon here in Southern California, at least in LA and Orange County. So it is already expensive. So 150, that I think will break the economy. But hey, that's a way to go and take the Democrats out, right? Make them look bad at the pump. But the whole world trades crude. But right now we are on the cash pit of the New York Exchange. But the biggest firms, brokerages, funds are all in Switzerland. That is where most of crude is traded, is Switzerland. That's where it happens. In Geneva, there are about 6 brokerages or funds that trade most of the crude worldwide. So if you're a big shot trader, a pro trader, that's where you want to go and find a job. All right, I'm going to be very careful. So I'm going to give you guys another half hour, and then I'm going to go and take Benny Boy for a walk. And pretty soon it's going to be unbearable here anyways, because we have the air show this weekend. So pretty soon, I live by the beach, so pretty soon we're going to start hearing the Jets training for Sunday. Oh, I forgot to turn my squawk box back on. All right, there could be a long opportunity here, right? So I didn't call this trade out, but I did say that we may get a challenge of 83 and 85, and that's what's happening. So there could be a long here, right? We have a lot of support right here. All right, I'm going to take a trade. I'm only going to take a one lot here. Only going to take a one lot. Just a quick little scalp. I'm going to get under 80. And I'm going to go all the way up to so not the best risk versus reward here. Come on, hold. Oh, it's going to take me out. All right, I'm giving back 100 and what is that? 120. All right, if you're new to this instrument, do not follow me blindly. Get to know the instrument before you take any trades. I'll give myself one more tick here. Ah. All right. May give it another chance here. Here we go. One more chance. Come on, buyers. Come on. So I'm looking for support. I should have actually switched to the micro. All right, if it can't pass 92, this trade is dead in the water. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. I was just about to move down the stop a little more before I got hit. Come on, hot knife that. Then we got a hot knife 97. Ooh, sellers just came in big time. All right, so a lot of selling at 92. Exactly where I thought that there would be an issue. All right, come on, buyers. Come on. Hot knife 97. Let's go. All right, hidden order. Might be an iceberg. All right, I may move my target down. Come on. Come on, buyers. Here we go. Got a hot knife 97. Yes! Oh, yeah! Go, 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 go! Yes! Go, go, go! I'm out. I'm out. Yes! Woo-hoo! Yeah, baby! Woo-hoo! Atta boy. There's my 91.8. Yeah. All right, so lost a little commission, but I'm above 2,000 in profits this morning. So I made $100, but I lost some in commission. So, all right, that was a good little trade. All right, it may go to either 15 or 20. Looks like there's a little more room for buyers. There's the 15. So I could have stayed a little longer, but I didn't want to risk it. The way I trade crude is, if I don't have a runner, I just want to take the money and run. Take the money and run. Because it whipsaws a lot. All right, so it didn't go to 15. I went to 14. Yeah, the only other market that I think that moves like crude is the NQ. But the NQ, she could be a mean bitch. Put the mic closer. Yeah, the NQ can be a mean bitch. You gotta be very careful. Yeah, I was never a full-time NQ trader. Always took a few trades here and there, but never really felt comfortable with the NQ. Yeah, the ES, there's just too many robots. They know where the retailer parks their stops. Fibonacci levels, it runs right through. So I just decided that I wanted more of a fair plane. But I still love the ES. All right, any questions? All right, so there it is. 19. So it went exactly where I thought it would go. Now, what's going to happen here? Are we still going to be inside of that zone, or are we going to break out and challenge that 91.39 or 91.66? The market is negative 64. I don't know. 200 iceberg just hit. So, yeah, I think we're probably going to be just moving sideways. Moving sideways. All right, we may see a wave 3 up here. Let's see. So this whole area here, where is it? Right here. This would be a wave. Let me move this to a 2 minute. And there it goes. Just disappeared. So this here is a wave 2. So we may get a wave 3 up. So there could be a long trade, either anywhere between 98 and 92, or even now if they're trying to hold 91. So they already went almost halfway inside of this box here. So we may get a wave 3 up, which would take us all the way to that 39.40 number, or at least back up to go and challenge 91.25. So there could be a long trade here. I'm still not seeing enough information to take a long. But plus, I don't want to give any money back. If I wasn't streaming, I would already be on a walk with Benny. Actually, I should switch to micro, but instead I'm just going to go and I'm going to switch my ATM to one lot only. Oh, I'm willing to give back $100-200 if I can make another 300 points, but that's 30-point move. Does the market still have 30-point move here? I don't think so. So I may have to go for some crude scalping, which the risk versus reward is not fantastic. Hope you guys are learning something. And there it is, that long. So that was a good trade. Could already had $100. So it could have been a $200 trade. Not upset. I just didn't see enough information, except for, you know, being a possible ABC here. So either wave C up or wave 3 up. But that to me is not enough. So longs to me are just scalps. Why? Because the market is negative. Delta went to 0. It was negative, it went to 0, and they started to sell. So longs to me are just scalps. A true move would be to go and challenge that weak low, but I'm not seeing that either. So again, we may just be stuck on this whole area here, just farting around here. Right there. Let's see if I could do this. Nope. All right. So we need to see how good of a job it does clearing 25. So 25 would be a perfect ABC. As far as Elliot waves, ABC is the most shown or executed pattern is the ABC. And then if it breaks out of the ABC, that is a wave 3. So if it breaks above 25, then it's a wave 3. First target is 91.39 or 91.40. Right, so it was a long from here that I called out. And target is right there. So quite a move from the opening. So the market opens at 6 o'clock. Look at this. Wow, that is a beautiful move. Beautiful move. So from the high, what is that? That is $2.38. Yeah, from the range is $2.40. That is a big move. Average is about anywhere between 1.25 and 175 is the average on a RTH range. All right, let me really plot this out here. Let's see where it really can go. All right, so that would start here, then here. All right. Okay, so, all right, I'm gonna take a short here. High risk trade. High risk trade. I'm not gonna risk much. Let's see if we can get it down to, yep, it's gonna take me out. I'm gonna give myself one more tick here. 25. Actually, one more tick, 26. That's where IB is. 26. Come on. You know, actually, I'm gonna go right here. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. So, risking $80 to make 190. Ah, it looked like it was going for a second, and buyers just stepped right in. Ah, that looked good for a second. All right. Come on, come on. Oh, that's what happened. It was a buy spike and hit a bunch of stops. Okay, it looks like it's going to take me out. Bummer. Wow, for a second it looked good. Yep. Wow. Yeah, that buy spike. That's what it was. Ah. Thank you, buddy. Nice seeing you too. Yep, that I should have gone out. And here we are, challenging that 39. Wow, they came in hot. All right, so the buy spike was what it needed to just hot knife right through that IB, the 25. I knew it was a high risk trade because I was going against IB low. It had tried already. It tried here, right? It tried here, and then it tried here, and boom, buy spike volume just took it all the way up. And actually, that moved POC to 31.37. All right. Gave back $80 plus commission. All right, this could be a short opportunity. We are at my target. So now we're 51 points negative. So we may get a short all the way to 20. A pullback all the way to 20. Oh, I'm tempted to take a scalp here. But there's a lot of momentum in that move up. Looks like I may be going against the trend now. Yeah, I'm going to wait. But there could be. So, nice trade here. I should have taken it here, but there's just not enough information. So, but I'm happy that I saw the target, and now we can have a move here, a pullback. All right, let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's see if I could make some of that money that I gave back here. Come on. Oh, it hit it. Go, 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 go. Oh, give me out, give me out, give me out. Go, go. Target failed. All right. Okay. So what's going to happen here at 25? So there's going to be a lot of buyers here. Gonna be a lot of buyers. Buyers would want to take this to my second target up, which is 91.65. Again, do not take a trade if you don't have a target. You can't just, oh, okay, you know, it looks like a trading area. You know, I had a target of 25. I had a target of 39. I have a target of 65. You know, it's just like a road trip. You just don't get in a car and, you know, or at least most people don't get in a car. It says, okay, I'm just, you know, taking a drive. But at least, you know, even if they are just going to take a drive, they still have a route in mind, right? So you always need a target. All right, so they did a pretty good job of holding 25. All right, I'm back to 2070, but I lost commission. All right, we need to see how well of a job it does going through 52 and 57. Wow. Look at that. So the true trade was to stay on the long from here, right, all the way to at least here. Look at that. That's what I called it from, right? I don't even, or did I call it from 98? Yeah. Yep. Look at that. All right. So whole half dollars and whole dollars are very important. Not like extremely important that at any time the market is at 50, you take a short or long. No. But they're numbers that you should look for and see how the market reacts. But it's not like, all right, we're at 50, I'm going short. No. That's what they want the retailer to do. Oh, we're 50, now time to go short. Sometimes they go and set a trap and you fall for it and then just come and just take you out. All right, 100 contract iceberg just hit that 48. So are they trying to stop the market, or the buyers just step in to take this to 91.65? It may go even as high as 73. So that would be challenging the market to go positive. I doubt that we will go positive, but Murphy's Law, if it's going to do it, if there's a chance of doing it, be careful, it will. It will. So there may be a long at 40 to go and take this market all the way to 65. Again, if you're new to this instrument, you should be trading sim. Just because I'm calling out trades, well, first of all, you shouldn't be following any of my trades. This is pure entertainment. This is pure entertainment. I'm not liable for anybody losses or damages to evaluations, PA accounts, or personal live accounts. All right, guys, I'm going to be leaving in 10 minutes. Hopefully this was... Hold on a second. Hopefully this was instructional, that you learned something. I love this market. Please hit the like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'm going to be trading live 1 day per week, and then I'm going to have my streaming service from 10:35 Eastern till 11, so at least 1 hour. Oh, look at that. All right, buyers just came in big time. All right, it looks like it's going to go and challenge that 65. If you have any questions, is my email in the description? I don't know if I could put it. It is. Okay, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Woohoo! Wow, look at that, and there it is. Target. Wow. All right, we are 11 points negative. So there could be a short opportunity at 73. I wouldn't. It just ran right through 65. There could be a 5 or 6 point scalp from here, but the way that it ran through 65, I would not take a chance on going short until at least I see a 70, 73 or 76. But there it is. There's that pullback. There's a 10-point pullback. There it is. Yeah. I could have taken that, but the way that it ran through, it just would have been high risk. All right, so nice trade right there. I called 70 points all the way to target. Now we are at decision point. So what is the market going to do? Is it going to go positive? Ooh, Delta went positive. Wow, was not expecting that. It could still turn around here. Wow, it went from 2,600 negative to 200. So it may try to go another 200 or 300 up, and then we may have a crash to go and challenge again 25. So decision point above the only target that I have above would be $92.25, but wow, that would be insane. I don't think I'm seeing that. I do not think I'm seeing that, but it may want to challenge at least 92, but I'm seeing most likely a pullback, and here we are. All right, so wow, almost positive. Yeah, I'm not gonna take any blind trades. Don't want to give any money back, but I'm seeing at least a 15 or 20 point short here. So either 57 or 52. So 57 or 52. All right, so it did go up to 400. So now they're gonna come in hard to try to bring the delta back to negative. All right, we're almost at 57. So we just saw what? We saw 60. So that was a 16-point trade. It's $160 off of one contract. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Thank you for watching. I haven't decided what day I'll be streaming live here for free. It will not be a Wednesday. Maybe we could do it either on a Tuesday or a Thursday. All right. So look out. Here's that 57. Boom. So either another 4 ticks, or it's going to bounce back. So I wouldn't initiate a long until I see a 52. Oh. I wouldn't initiate a long until I see a 52. But it could be done. Could be done. So now, and there it is. Oh, it may go to 40. So that was a good short. Oh, man. I missed quite a... I was a little tight this morning, huh? And here it is, guys. So they just held that market. They didn't want that market to go positive. They stopped it at 75. Yeah, it could have gone, but I was highly doubtful All right, so that was a nice short. Yeah, wow. Yeah, so it may challenge 25, or there's going to be a long from here. I'll pull back in anywhere between 10 to 15 points, or it's going to go straight down to 25. All right, guys, I'm done. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in signing up for my live streaming, there's going to either send me an email or just go into my website and sign up. The tab to sign up won't be up till Sunday, or maybe I'll do it tomorrow. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. Thank you. Have a wonderful weekend, everybody. Take care. I'll see you guys.